And Cantu Man back out with another banger.
I got them hitters in minivans. Chopper is speaking, no ceiling fan. Get your business done, I bone like a skeleton. Call up the plug and I told us to mail it in. I ain't got no time for no middleman. Walk in the trap and take over the trap, should I let him in? If I do, then we might make a settlement. These niggas snitching, they talk too intelligent. I know that these niggas telling it. I can't believe that they, I can't believe that they, fuck nigga dissing this DOA. I need a tail like it's BOA. I got them chill like it's Frito-Lay. So much cheese, let's have a Dorito race. I just brought so many guns through the TSA. Those come in circle, you open your briefcase. Your money is slow, that's a delay. You only been trapping this earth for 3 days. I bring the back.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy the Sun here. I'm gonna show you guys how to get your hair curly. You see, my hair not curly right now, you know. I got in the pool the other day and it dried my hair out. So I'm finna show y'all how to get your hair curly. Any hair type. Nappy, straight, you know what I'm saying? Because I have naturally straight hair and my hair's not really curly. I had to do things to get it curly. So let's get into the bang. So first, you always want to part your hair. Go ahead, split down the middle so you can see your scalp. So what I use, this is not Cantu, this is not this, that stuff sucks. This is just water with a little leave-in moisturizer is my own thing I do. So you just get a squirt bottle, just water. Then you just spray.
All about the cash in this off drip and regular extended clip. Drake on no soldier, boy, don't play with.
This is the best all-day leave-in conditioner. Yeah, I want to see it. $4.95. Olive oil.
Block, baby, block star. Thug like a rock star. We might shoot at the cop cars. New gas and call op wars. Wrong time, wrong place. That's just what they all say. Life sentence. Plus some more shit hurt me how they did, Ray. Glock shit, don't ruggle it. Don't play with me on spooning shit.
This is where it all started.
Bones crying, my niggas run. Make them run on TV time. Rock me long along that time. It's off-white, off drip, no regular, extended clip. Drake on no soldier, boy, don't play with him, I told you.
Always get back of your head and then pull it yourself. Always make sure the back is almost through.
Broad though, nighttime, daytime, shoot that shit, evening, broad day, ain't these stories gon' finish. These niggas watched up, they just mean it. The young nigga jumping right out of van. All of the young niggas coming, they hop out spraying.
Now, get some more.
Say you a shooter, but ain't got no body. My young niggas spraying, they run around the lobby. Shoot our son hard, man. We shot back. Yeah. Shoot our set for the other day, and we shot back. Nigga don't know what that beef feel till we.
Curls coming in. I'm ready to put this up. This is not cut down. This is Cantu Men. This is two totally different things. I just put it in another container because I had to come with plain. The Cantu container was just a little too big. Now this comes from top. These are the most important spots. Just let it sit for like 3 minutes. So, let me get this again. It's like a reactor. Make your hair nice and damp. And you guys for about 10 seconds. So it evenly distributes to your head. just hit this. Nice and curl. And then last one. Make sure it's all in there. Pretty good house make sure that. Look at that. You see that? You see? You see that? Y'all see the difference though? Y'all see the difference for real? Don't get a quiet ponytail though. Yeah. Oh, to make sure your hair is even. Everywhere. Give it like 5-6 minutes to let it dry out just a little bit because it's really wet right now. It's like damp. But as you see, hold on. You can see the curls just coming through. All y'all boys, I think, is gay to make sure your head look good. Females love it. What's good in the hood? You know what I'm saying? Still got the curls in the front. You take it out, boom, it's back to normal. Curls everywhere. You dig. So if you like this, leave a like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Curly hair activated.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
I stop your ass like a stop sign. Beat a little nigga up if he my side. Up that Glock on his ass, now he cockeyed. Numbers high over there, low on my side.